some very good discussions in the last 2 days, and I have to say that you can really find the right people. It's a Congress which is well represented not just by CDMOs and sponsors, but you also have technology providers, service providers, and they do bring insightful discussions which help you put things in perspective, not just from your own space, but also from their fields.
We chose PHARMAP because of the audience and the participating companies that we are seeing here. Out of the manufacturing and packaging space in pharma manufacturing, so it's a relevant audience to us. Some of our clients are actually here, so we can connect to those clients that we already have, but of course also want to reach out to other opportunities, see what's happening in the space of manufacturing and also see how we can contribute to that.
I think the organisation's been fantastic. It's thoroughly professional. It's probably one of the best I've seen in that respect because there's the technology supporting it, the app's excellent, the organisation, the quality, everything, even the food and the drinks, it's fantastic. So it's really good to see that. The staff are very friendly and really very helpful. There's so many people helping. It just makes it a really good event.
PHARMAP is a smart event, having opportunity to see the decision makers, the sector leaders, and also our peers to have this one-to-one discussions. That's why it's my third time in PHARMAP.